Ford has just done something awesome. They're coming out with a brand new personalization kit that you can have for your new Ford vehicle. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Ford is calling this their Ford Custom Garage Vehicle Personalization Kits. And these kits are designed to be these limited edition complete parts bundles. So as you probably know, you can buy Ford performance parts, you can buy accessories from accessories.ford.com. But one thing that they have been missing out is having packages available to customers. And Ford has realized that if you package these things together, you're going to be able to sell these at a discount to the consumer. And the consumer is going to want to flock to it because they're getting the discount and they're getting some really cool customization. But these packages have a lot to offer depending on exactly which one you go with. From upgraded wheels to upgraded suspension components, they even have high performance engine calibrations like the one that I've installed on my Bronco Raptor. The ProCal is amazing. So anyways, this is a brand new style for Ford Performance, and they're debuting this at the SEMA show for 2024. Now, these packages are available on a lot of different trim levels and a lot of different packages. For instance, the Bronco, you have the Bronco Sport, you even have an F-150. But most importantly, one of my favorite cars from this whole SEMA show is the 1969 F-100 that they are nicknaming Clyde. More on that later on in the video. But Ford is hoping that this custom garage is just an easy way for a new vehicle owner. If you just took delivery of your Bronco, your F-150 or Bronco Sport, this is an easy way to customize your vehicle and taking a lot of the guesswork out of it for you. Now, the cool part is that each one of these packages, they're supposed to be exclusive, they're supposed to be limited edition appearances, and you're supposed to even have those performance upgrades we just talked about. And I just think it's a good way to stay a little bit fresh and a little bit more unique than just every other Bronco or every other F-150 on the road. Now, the good news is they've got packages, whether you're wanting something that can go really fast on the street or if you're wanting something more off-road, they've got a package for you in both ways. And they've even got more packages that are going to be debuting over the next couple of months and or years. First up, let's dive into what they offer for the Bronco, you know, the big one. The first thing is you have two complete packages for the Bronco. You have a matte black and a Sinister Bronze, which I love the name of that. It sounds so sinister. Okay, I'm done with the dad jokes for the day. So why is Ford even doing this? It's kind of one of the things I was thinking about. I'm going to dive into what's in those two packages here in a second, but I'm kind of want to know, why is it that they are focused on this now? Well, the reality is that over the past 5 years, Ford has seen accessories increase over 20% in total sales. In fact, the director of Ford Vehicle Personalization and Performance Parts, Kim Mathers, actually said that our team is constantly learning and listening from customers and hunting for new trends that we can offer as limited edition Ford custom garage packages through our dealers. And coming from someone that is on social media all the time, I can confirm to you, Ford is watching, whether you realize it or not. They're kind of sneaky.
I fear you're underestimating the sneakiness, sir.
They'll be sneaking around in these forums. They'll be sneaking around in these Facebook groups. You don't even know that they're there. And I know that because I've actually had a conversation with a few of them that they do that. And it's a good thing that they're doing it because they're actively looking and listening to what people are saying to try and make their products a little bit better. But mostly, if you're interested in one of these packages, the reason that you're interested in it is because it's backed by the same new vehicle warranty that came with the rest of your vehicle, and it can be even serviced in any Ford dealership in the United States. So the first Ford custom garage packages are actually now available. You can reach us at TC Customs. We can get them ordered. We can even get you a discount if you'll mention this YouTube video, and be happy to pass that along to you. But give us a call. We'll be happy to help get you a scheduled package for this. We are one of the largest customization shops in the Southeast. In addition to that, we are also a Ford dealership, so we've got that capability to make sure everything's installed properly. And so the first two packages that are available today are supposed to be the Sinister Bronze and that matte black for the Bronco. And these kits are supposed to be one singular part number that includes all of these different accessories under that one part number. And since I'm a massive Bronco guy, I love Broncos, everything Broncos, let's go ahead and jump into those first and foremost. So the matte black and Sinister Bronze packages, they include pretty much the same thing across the board with a couple of different differences like the coloration, obviously. But first thing you get is a Ford Performance Parts Off-Road 2-inch lift kit. This is a Bilstein suspension kit, and it is supposed to be even more beefed up than what you'll get from the Sasquatch package. And so we've had some experience with these before, and they make a good kit. I don't have any problem with them at all. In addition to that, you get the calibration tool, which will allow you to readjust your size, and I even think it's going to have the ProCal tune in it, so you'll even get more horsepower and torque out of it as well. In addition to that, you get 5 17-inch wheels, whether you get the black or the bronze wheels, depends on which one of these packages you pick up. And you also get a set of black lug nuts. You also get a special grill letter caps. That way it covers that Bronco in the front grill, and it basically ties all the coloration in together for you. And you even get the Bronco script emblems on the fender to go with that. You mix that in with the smoked Ford ovals, and boom, you've got a really nice appearance. But the problem is that when you go with the bigger tires, you're going to need to have it covered. And so Ford also includes a set of extended fender flares, basically Sasquatch fender flares, to go with it automatically. Now, the other thing is they're also updating the spare tire carrier, so that way the camera sticks out a little bit further and you're not getting half of your view blocked by a larger spare tire. Now, if you totaled up every single one of these accessories and you bought them individually on accessories.ford.com, or if you bought them on Ford Performance Parts, you'd be spending exactly $6,000. But buying this as a kit will save you about $800 by my redneck calculations. And so if you're doing the math, that means that this whole package, if you buy it as a package, is $5,200. The downside is that doesn't include two things. It doesn't include the labor for the installation, and it doesn't include the tires. Now, Ford is recommending the 35-inch Goodyear Wranglers, but the good news is you could technically choose any tire that you wanted to. If you're a Nitto fan, a Toyo fan, or a BFG fan, you're not stuck with those Goodyears. Now let's talk a little bit more about what Ford is debuting at SEMA this year. Now, 4 of these vehicles are previews of the potential and the planned packages that Ford has got through this custom garage setup. And they're also debuting a beautiful 1969 F-150 nicknamed Clyde. And this whole vehicle sits on a porter-built Stage 2 coilover chassis. And every single one of these body panels are carbon fiber. And it even comes with a beefed up Raptor R engine making 900 horsepower. My dream truck. Let's just say it. Let's just leave it at that. A couple of other vehicles they're debuting. You have the Bronco Wild Fund project vehicle. And if you don't know, the Bronco Wild, the fund's mission is to keep the planet's trails clean, green, and just really just keeping it nice to where generations to come can continue to use it. It's more or less preserving the current off-road trails that are available to us right now in public lands. That vehicle comes on a Bronco Big Bend 4-door with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost, and with that package, you get an upgraded 7-spoke wheel, and the color is actually called Concept Green color. Interesting. You get the same Bilstein 2-inch lift kit, and you get a custom Katzkin leather seats, and my favorite tube doors. I love my Ford accessories and Ford Performance Parts tube doors. Absolutely love them. And there's a brand new power soft top. Next up, the Bronco Sport Wild Fund project vehicle, very similar to what we just talked about in the big boy Bronco, but now it's going to be found and built on a 2025 Bronco Sport Badlands Sasquatch with the 2.0 EcoBoost. Now, this one comes with a set of 17-inch freewheeling wheels in the same concept green color, and it includes a Ford Performance lift kit, custom graphics, and a Katzkin leather seat covers. Next up, the F-150 ORV project vehicle is built off of a 2024 F-150 with the FX4 package and a 5-liter V8. Bilstein 2-inch lift kit, which is, we do have experience with that lift kit, and it's awesome. I love it. You have extra underbody armor, unique wheels, and you even have auxiliary upfitter switches that are going to be powering things like the rigid off-road lighting setup. In addition to that, the ORV exterior trim, and it comes with a full set of graphics. So that brings me up to what is my opinion of these packages and what do I think about what Ford has debuted here. I think it's awesome if you want to have something a little bit more custom and you don't want to think about it. I just want to order this and have it installed. It's easy. That's one thing I love about it. One of the things I love about TC Customs is because we can give you guys the same kinds of discounts and deals on customizing your vehicle, but you're not forced into this specific box with these specific wheels and these specific lift kits and all of that kind of stuff. So I think there's definitely a market for this, and I think Ford has done their research on these packages, but I also think there's a world for these diehard enthusiasts like myself that want something extremely different, and I want it to be one of one. So let me know down below, if you were customizing your vehicle, would you go with one of these packages, or would you do an a la carte custom package from the ground up? Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Peace.